I'm Sarah, a 28-year-old office worker, and I was completely fed up with my daily routine. Same desk, same tasks, every single day. I felt like I was stuck in a loop, just watching life pass me by. One day, while scrolling through social media, I saw photos of my friends traveling the world. That's when I realized I was stuck in my comfort zone, too afraid to take the plunge into something new. That night, I started researching destinations and costs, dreaming of a different life. I knew my current job was a dead end, with no real future for me. I spent weeks soul-searching, writing down my dreams and fears in my journal. The hardest part was figuring out how I could make ends meet while traveling. For 6 months, I saved every penny I could. I worked overtime and took on freelance projects, determined to make my dream possible. Slowly, my savings account grew. Finally, I decided to take a leap of faith and follow my heart. With shaking hands, I walked into my boss's office to give my notice. 2 weeks later, I was officially free. I packed light, taking only the essentials for my journey ahead. At the airport, I felt a mix of excitement and fear. But as the plane lifted off, I knew I had made the right choice. In Thailand, I discovered a sense of inner peace I had never felt before. In Nepal, I pushed my physical limits and found my strength. Most importantly, I learned that happiness comes from experiences, not possessions. 6 months later, I was a completely different person. I had found my purpose and was inspiring others to do the same. Sometimes the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. My story shows that it's never too late to change your life and chase your dreams. If you liked my story, subscribe for more real-life English stories that will inspire and teach you.